Ekenekwa m ọnụ. Ekenekwa m ọnụ. Ịma na agba m nkịtị since asị m ka gịnị mee ka o zocha mgbacha, and I so much thank God na gịnị mee na o zochawago na na ha agbachasị. Now first of all, let's go to a video. A video nwanne anyị nwoke Jpac mere because na achọ ikwu eziokwu si kwulo ya n'isi. On video before wedding gị, he release a voice note against Igbo credo, so that people now are aware, because you may forget but internet doesn't forget. He release a voice note on your board, and don't know you would again. You would own up to his responsibility or say again. Yes, no man, he but he gave his reason why that injury. In the voice of Igbo credo also again. Now no Ebona Galon, and his wedding was shifted backward rather than the date otil. Onozi ewe boya na phone we see na no ya bianwu. Ya made the Ebomauko today instead of the men approved date. O we say again me. Ya onoro nso na yard. Opozia manager say na go to my room. Chitalo me if isi agodo otu a. Gekwa no nti because I'm not in a way again supporting Igbo credo, but I'm here to search the facts. I'm here to open the mind of people, because na onwere hi ime aso aka gbalum nya gbalum nwunye edem kilo na asiri me gini na Igbo credo PA ya we me gini we je chita data akwa ahụ o mara akwa o chita. Can he now go back and revise the cloth ebe me gini ebe agbago n'ụzọ ihe agbala n'ụzọ eteka o we si no ko me gini ko use the Akwa. He called you according to him. Also no ogwage. Send the elegant voice note. Then after all said and done, with the other things who release the chairman at the group. You talk because some apple gone from the group before the incident of Akwa we megini we mewe. Igwe credo we kucha heni no kumba ewe megini. Iwe send iwe wolo voice note. He send the Igbo credo we forward to ale Ebonyi son. Ebonyi son we put away the Igbo credo tabi ya kachingom tagidi tali kocha Igbo credo bam. Nka ha we me gene ga. Fast forward to 5 days later. The same thing me again if tabi na yondo the Christian is not Christian Catholic communion, which is wrong. There is nothing like Catholic communion. First of all, to start with, when we head Catholic communion, because one thing I learned very well is to give everything time. Time will only reveal many things. Time will reveal who is real and who is fake. Time will reveal ihe. Time will also give you time to think. Everybody needing to know why is subject to times and season. Bible just say there's a time to mourn, there's a time to rejoice. Fast forward to 6 days later. If you are your Catholic distant because na gini me your wife wedding gown was totally unappreciated on social media. Was totally not appreciated by anybody. Onye ya for that wedding gown cause we dey revealing na marriage that will ever support that kind of dressing. What is meant to be private part is now being shown on a public avenue, being in a church for that matter. You came out and you apologized to the church. You came out to apologize to Ndi feeling again many major go a whole Christian body, a whole Catholic for that matter, ki major. In your words, it's na ni una maro na data akwa again like that. No mbosia ye me wedding catch tala akwa ewe na agba gini helter skater gidi in order ka eme gini ka we meet up to ebe na aga o ihe ikwulu mụ na gina aba nọrọ dia mana kezi nke bụ wedding gown of 1.2 million ka ya akwa ogwu ya. You will not see it and you will not test it before the wedding, because I believe even Igwe credo send the measurement akwa ya. Now that group which everybody did, I sent my own. One thing lead to another because something came up and I left, and I quickly left to the group close to the wedding. I left to the group, and I so much thank God because you not even be around to receive yourself. entirely weke onemechago wedding mbata onemechago wedding mbata which I will not even receive. It was, so what's the essence? Nsi okay ebe do point that time we travel jeje luolum nsi no wahala, and I left the group. So as on Igwe credo si wee kwụ ụgwọ akwa nke ya ka nwunye gị sikwa wee kwụ ụgwọ akwa wedding gown 1.something million according to you, because ogu apostle ya. How can you spend that kind of money? You did not test the clothes he test equal over ya. May accept man. I'm again check these two scenarios between Igwe credo and your apology tender. All the same thing meluno nabo. Mana Igwe credo tender apology nke eweli ya we jide Igwe credo ka atagwe. How will you feel na after church ni tender cha apology a Catholic priest, many Catholic priests, but even that Catholic priest and that church in my wedding, but abusawa gaga na social media imakwa na yo moraya dey down. Man Igwe credo mele nke ya is here Ebonyi son now gba the voice note ni Igwe ụwa niile we no ya we talikoba Igwe credo. Now nekwa another video bebe because of na gini me na onye obodo bogi 100,000 na your wedding, and you now forced to apologize to onye obodo. You now forced to read your body language, my brother. Look your facial expressions. I'm into video. I shoot videos, I shoot skits, I shoot movies, I watch expressions. So when I read your facial expression, if it's not given, it's not given. Watch your facial expression. Just mbine video onye obodo. What is wrong is wrong. You have to only have on each of your onye obodo biko based on ehi meta ehi kwute no no ge. Not saying na Ndi Uka use again. Not saying na Ndi Uka use because na actually may own up to a responsibility, but na no one na major matter now. I will tell you, say, okay, this is what I did. I am sorry. Na onyem major. I will tell you that I am sorry. Not because I am not. That's why I let my emotion deceive me. I let somebody deceive me. Somebody made me to do this. Somebody made me to do it. Do you know how you sound by saying all those things? You don't know how you sound by saying all those things, because now, as it stands now, nobody did not trust you. Nobody will never trust you. But there are level of ladder you will not climb in his life again. There is a level of ladder you will not climb in his life again. That's the simple truth. You should have kept quiet in all these things in the men. Don't even bring nobody to wedding, because all these things in them after wedding, you have been appreciating the good people you felt that they are men. Something on one of your video, which means now that you can strategically barely mother without even not meeting that person, because you said it in your video generally chikalalo apologies na Akwa chikalalo from beginning, no worry home again, but you kept on attacking that lady. You know, you said you cook up some kind of story. See, you know, Akwa be with again. That is why you be again after your wedding. You be merely apology, because you never believed that she will come to your wedding. So all these things in neighborhood again is all now centered on one thing: game of the highest bidder. Facebook monetization, Facebook page, Facebook unka, because it's generated her Facebook followers. Does it generate the impact in the life of people? I know one thing that will keep a man is integrity. The worst name of mother is for you to be a betrayer to a fellow human being and also live an upright life. Kedeji na one particular thing matter ka mmadụ ten galela and up ase akwenye do otu a mba amamonya, he's like this, he's like that, he's like this, he's like that, because it has been an all-time story right from beginning. Icho me apology own up to it and annoy him. It's na your ex. Now your ex on with onye obodo. How did your ex get to meet onye obodo? How did your ex begin to battle onye obodo? If na obo na aka sabase na abaronya, which mean obo na oborogu as Italia, send je chotale that kind of information, because a man no Lagos no local at the same time. A man no dear at the same time. ụzọ chago gbachara so ndị wee sị na gị ka m batawa ịchọkwani appreciate ndị bịalụ gị wedding ime one particular video appreciate ya onye ọbụla, the ones you can remember and the ones that you cannot remember. Don't make it look as if na onye abịalụ gị wedding is more important to another person, is not important to another person, because this is exactly how it's beginning to look. Only look zika asị na onye a prioritize ndị a karịa ndị a, prioritize ndị a karịa ndị a, emechi ise ndị ụka nka, ndị ụka nka. Joshua said, choose you this day the God whom you will serve. There are many gods, but choose you this day the one whom you will serve. If you decide to serve that God, serve it again in truth and in spirit. Ekuchakwanam onye ya amụli ihe na nka na amụli ihe onye akwa amụli na tufuo dị okwu na gota ka ọ dị.